How to change caption language on YouTube app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First we will launch YouTube application on your device. Tap on profile icon at bottom right. Choose gear icon at top right. Now under the settings section, you have to scroll down, locate video and audio preferences section and then choose captions. When you open it, the caption will look like this, which is at the top you can see the preview as well. You can make sure that you toggle the button on for caption preferences to change language. Select language and scroll down. Here you will see different languages. You can choose any language according to your preference. You simply need to tap on the circle next to it. And once you have selected, come back. You can even choose text size and see the preview at the top. Tap caption style and here you can easily see the preview at the top. Once you are OK, you will successfully change caption language on YouTube app. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.